Smart tutorials. Holiday pins made of felt. Materials: felt sheets in red, black, yellow, green, blue, and white. The blue and white sheets should be thicker felt. Needle and embroidery thread in all 6 colors. Scissors, 3 pin backs, and straight pins. Download the pattern sheets at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Use the pattern sheets to cut out the felt pieces. It may be helpful to pin the patterns to the felt with straight pins, then cut around the outlines. Sew on the front of the holly pin. Position the green leaves on the white backing and pin down. Using the green thread, sew around the edges of the leaves with small, close stitches. Position the red berries on the white backing and sew around the edges using red thread. The berries are too small to pin down, so you will need to hold each one in place as you sew. Sew on the front of the star pin. Pin the red star to the white backing and sew down with red thread. Pin the yellow pieces to the red star and sew down with yellow thread. Hold the blue circles in place and sew down with blue thread. Sew on the front of the red bird pin. Position the blue circle, black ground, bird feet, and bird body on the white backing to ensure proper placement. Pin down the blue circle. Sew down the blue circle with blue thread. Then sew on the black ground with black thread and bird feet with yellow thread. Pin on the red bird and sew down with red thread. Sew on the black face area and black wing shadow with the black thread. Sew on the yellow beak with yellow thread. Sew on the white eye piece with white thread. Sew on the black pupil with black thread. For the white highlight, make a few short stitches through the pupil with white thread. Using white thread, sew the metal pin backs onto the back felt pieces of the pins. The back piece of the red bird pin is blue. The other back pieces are white. Align the completed pin fronts on top of the pin backs. Sew the 2 sides together with small, close stitches around the edges. Use the white thread. Finished pins! Note, if you do not want to sew, you can glue the felt instead. You can use a hot glue gun, be careful, or any good craft glue.